Hi everybody, this is Laura Davis. I am going to be doing a training video on standard number 5. In the state standards that the state is looking for us to include in all of our teachers' lessons, one of them is standard 5.1. And 5.1 states the teachers use data sources to assess the effectiveness of instruction and to make adjustments in planning and instruction. So how do we do this as educators? Well, we do it a couple of ways. We do it by formative assessments, we do it by exit tickets. And this year, we've been really working on exit tickets and formative assessments with the teachers. And a lot of the teachers have really gravitated towards a few specific ones. This also aligns with our instructional coach rubric as far as the assessments, the assessment indicator goes. And in the assessment indicator, you see all of these different sub-indicators: state content standards, students' current progress, additional attempts, measurement criteria, multiple performance measures, academic technological providers, and written tasks. Now, all of these encompass our assessment indicator on our instructional coaching rubric, and it ties in perfectly with our 5.1 standard that the state is wanting us to assess our teachers on. So how do we do this in our classroom? Well, this year we really drove home a few different techniques. The first technique was called waterfall. After we introduced this to the teachers really started using this in class. Some of them called it waterfall, some of them called it explosion. And what I'll do is I'll include this link to this video in the Excel spreadsheet that is going to be accompanying this video. So the first technique is waterfall. The second technique would be turn and talk, and also I'll include that video. The third technique is Kahoot, and Kahoot is something that the teachers completely used and they loved using. It was a quick formative assessment for the students, and they were able to work it in right in their classes. Really simple, really easy, and the kids loved it. We had a ton of teachers using that this technique this year. And then the last, one of the last ones would be Quiz Manager. Quiz Manager is something that's already built into the BBC, and it's something that you can use right in your lesson. The last thing I want to tell you guys about is texting your answers. So there is a website called polleverywhere.com, and in this website, it allows you to create your own texting answer, and you can text in the answer. All your students can text in the answer, and you can even go online and go to this website and do it too. And the cool thing about this is as the answers come up, it's like a word cloud. So all of your students, you can show them the word cloud when you guys are all done, and it's a really nice, handy way to get a good idea of how your students are doing on a concept. So what I'll do is I'll include all of these resources in the Excel spreadsheet that I'm going to send along with this. And if you guys have any questions, just let us know. Thank you so much.